Hello there. If your phone is locked and you don't want to lose your data, then pay to unlock it first. After unlocking, make sure you go to settings, then scroll down to about phone, then go to software information, and then on the build number, tap it 7 times. Tap on the build number 7 times. Then go back once more. Then scroll to the develop options and make sure USB debugging is enabled. Turn on USB debugging. Allow USB debugging here. Click on OK. After you have enabled USB debugging, go back to settings. Yes, go back once more. Go back to settings, then lock screen lock type, and make sure it's on swipe. Make sure it's on swipe or none, or else your phone will be stuck on boot mode. It won't start. It will just say phone starting or starting Android, and it won't turn on. Then go to your PC and type adb shell. Go to your PC, type adb shell space pm, then space, then disable, then hyphen, then user, then space, hyphen, then user space 0 space com dot android dot system UI. Android dot system UI. You know the system UI. The system UI holds things like screenshot, screen recording, etc. Okay, now your phone won't have any. It won't have the navigation bar. You won't be able to go back. It won't have any navigation bar. It will disappear like permanently. The control center will not work. It will disappear also, and also the status bar, the one that you see how much percentage of battery got, the network, etc. Then go to settings, then accessibility, interaction and density, and then turn on universal switch. No, they're not the universal switch. Assistant menu. Turn on assistant menu. Then turn it. Make sure it's on. Make sure it's on. Turn on assistant menu. You can show us an edge icon, or you can let it show on your screen wherever you want. So here it will give us recent, home, and back button. Here we'll be able to use the phone because you don't have the navigation bar. Okay, what you need to do is very, very simple. Don't panic. We shall fix everything first. Go to navigation bar, make it on, then off, turn it off, then turn it on again, turn it on once again, allow to have access on the phone. And now it just came. Here we are, it's on. It shows it's on, and it will be able to work. It will be able to function normally, but the recent button won't work. Okay, go to Luminous Live Wallpaper. You can find the application on the Play Store. Then you can see it has options of wallpapers. It has wallpapers, touch effect, particles, etc. These are wallpapers that you'll find that they don't look cool at all, but they are cool at some point. Then here on the upper icon, it's an option to go to your gallery. Then you can select the photo that you want to be your wallpaper. You can, for example, let me select this one. This one will fit. Just click on the tick on the right edge on the top of your screen. Then on the particles, I prefer it to be off. I prefer to be none. I don't like those type of effects, but you can put them if you want them. the touch effect I've set on no effect, but you can choose the effect that you want. I just want to be simple as possible. Then set wallpaper, home screen, set as home screen wallpaper. Then once you go back, as you can see, the wallpaper is set. Now we have the wallpaper. Now let's go and fix the status bar. Go and download the app called Super Status Bar, and then just click on start. Then turn on the accessibility service by going to settings, then install services. Go to install services and go to Super Status Bar. Go to Super Status Bar, and make sure it's on by just turning it on and going back to the application. It will function. Now you can see we have the Super Status Bar. You can now tell the battery percentage, the network that we are using, and etc. Now we don't have the control center. They want to adjust the brightness, to see the apps, to turn on data or Wi-Fi. Go to Play Store and download the app called OneShade. Once you download the app called OneShade, open it and make sure the accessibility service is turned on also. Just allow. Once you allow it, it will function. And here we go. Our assistant, the assistant OneShade, the assistant control center, Now go to the lock screen. Don't put the phone lock screen. Download the app called lock screen, the fingerprint lock screen app, but the fingerprint won't work. And make sure it's on. Once it's on, you can change wallpaper of the lock screen. You can change the backup password, or you can set the backup. The backup password is the password that you will use to unlock the phone. As you can see, it won't pick like that fast. It won't be that fast, but still it will work. It will protect your phone, but it won't be that strong. And now you won't be able to do things like screenshot. As you can see, I'm trying to take a screenshot and it doesn't work. You won't be able to make any screenshot. You'll not be able to make any screen recording on your device, and you won't be able to make any screenshot